3, 2, 1.
The lunar year of the snake is upon us, and as the new year approaches, the chapter of 2026 has officially begun. We welcome it with a fiery initiative. HOPETECH's first batch of ceramic digital printing machines are now being loaded into containers and set sail for distant destinations. The Indian subcontinent and the African continent. The bitter cold could not deter the orderly rhythm. Through the concerted efforts of all departments, each precision piece of equipment was loaded with precision and secured firmly. This was not merely a container loading operation, it was our first annual delivery to the global market. The successful overseas deployment of this first batch of equipment holds profound significance. It will bring transformative digital printing solutions to the ceramic industries in India and Africa, significantly enhancing production efficiency and pattern precision. This advancement will empower local customers to embrace a new era of green, intelligent, and flexible manufacturing, braving the cold to ensure shipments, paving the way for new beginnings. We extend our deepest gratitude to every colleague for their tireless dedication. 2026, our first orders have already set sail. Let us join hands and venture into a broader world together.